Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Snapchat camera not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, close Snapchat completely and remove it from the recent apps screen. Open Snapchat again and check if the camera opens normally. Restart your phone to refresh the camera services and system processes. After the restart, open Snapchat and test the front and back camera. Check if your phone's camera app works, because this confirms if the issue is Snapchat or the device. If the camera app also fails, restart again and check for a system update in your phone settings. If the camera app works but Snapchat does not, go to your phone settings and open apps or applications. Find Snapchat in the app list and open permissions. Allow camera permission, and also allow microphone if you use video or voice features. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to Snapchat, and turn on camera access. Return to Snapchat and test the camera again. If it still fails, turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data to rule out a network-related loading bug. Then switch back to Wi-Fi and test again. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it to reset connections. Check if Snapchat has an update in the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the latest update, because camera bugs are often fixed in new versions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data yet, because it can sign you out and reset app settings. Open Snapchat and try the camera again after clearing cache. If the camera opens but shows a black screen, switch between front and back camera once. Disable any VPN or security app temporarily, because it can block Snapchat camera access. Make sure no other app is using the camera, such as video call apps running in the background. Free up storage space, because low storage can cause camera and app failures. Check the date and time settings and set them to automatic for correct Snapchat services. On iPhone, force close Snapchat again, then restart the iPhone once more. If nothing works, uninstall Snapchat completely from your phone. Reinstall Snapchat from the official store, log in, and test the camera immediately. If the problem continues, report it inside Snapchat settings, support, and contact us with your device model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.